everyone, thanks for tuning into Sin's Workshop. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So, today we're going to be unboxing OwlCrate. The purple means it's my adult subscription. So, see, I'm remembering the colors now. Alright. First of all, you guys have no idea how much I love Kingfisher. I think this is the August one. Oh my God. I just saw the edges. Oh, I can't wait to show this. I cannot wait to show this off. Okay. First of all, look at the beauty that is. Do you see that? I have never seen edges like this before. OMG. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so front cover, back cover. That's so cool. Oh, I love Kingfisher. Oh. Look at this reversible dust jacket. Isn't that gorgeous? And now the naked hardcover. More of that holographic silver here. That's so pretty. I'm in love. I'm in love. Alright. Front cover and pages. Man, OwlCrate. Oh, they do not disappoint. Signed. Love Kingfisher. I think I have all of their books. I might have all of their books. I don't know yet. I have to go looking. No. Oh, no, I do have a House of Good Bones. I have bought the OwlCrate version. So, I have Nettle and Bone. I have Thorn Hedge. I have A Sorcerer's Comes Call. I have Sword Heart. I have What Moves the Dead, What Feasts the Night, and the House of Good Bones. So, yeah. I have almost all of her books. There are some that I know are not on that list, so that I also do own. Just, I cannot get over these edges. Look at that. Look at that. Just, it's so pretty. I don't know if there's any exclusive content in here. Let's see. Nope, that's fine. Sometimes they do have exclusive content for the adult ones. It's not always a guarantee. But honestly, whew. Oh, but sometimes they do an exclusive prologue. Nope. Okay, fine. Perfectly fine. In any case, thank you all for tuning into this unboxing of Hemlock and Silver. I just cannot get over these. First of all, if you have not read Kingfisher, you are doing yourself a disservice. I mean, funny and gory, just great. I mean, there's a scene of What Moves the Dead that I burst out laughing, and I'm like, I should not be laughing at this because this is incredibly gory. But you can tell the intent is for you to just like gasp in absolute horror. But it's also like, I remember that scene so vividly. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. So yeah, pick her up. House of Good Bones, another one, comedic value within a horror, and it's so unsettling. It's absolutely brilliant. So I cannot wait to read more of Kingfisher. She's one of my auto buys now. Oh, new book coming out. Auto buy. Auto pre-order. In any case, thank you all for tuning in to this unboxing. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with our book loving friends. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy reading.